Hey everyone, so we wanted to thank everyone for purchasing the new U Collection bracelet, and we're doing a little tutorial today on how it actually adjusts. So when it arrives in the mail, you can figure out how to put it on and take it off easily. So this is the silver version. So basically it adjusts on these components here, so it slides on these two different pieces that allow the guitar string to go in and out of the components. Usually I put it on, I have a spacing around 1/4 of an inch when I put it on. So you kind of slip it on your wrist, and then when you have it on, you grab two of the components and you push your pointer finger and you just slide them apart, and then to kind of tighten it a little bit more, you push them apart a little bit more to get the final adjustment. Looks super cool on. It'll stay on your wrist, it'll stay in place, and when you want to take it off, you put your pointer finger in the middle and you just push these two components together and you slide it off. Super easy, looks super cool on, and hope that helps when you guys get it in the mail.